Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of automotive engineering to uncover the ultimate champion, the best cylinder head. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or an enthusiast, join us as we explore the top contenders, dissect their features, and help you make the best choice for your ride. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more content like this. Number 1. Evergreen CH2000, the ultimate solution for Toyota 22R, 22RE, and 22 Rec engines. This cylinder head package comes complete with valves and a camshaft, offering unparalleled compatibility and convenience. Engineered with precision and durability in mind, the CH2000 ensures optimal performance and longevity for your vehicle. Whether you're replacing a worn-out head or upgrading for enhanced power, this product delivers reliable performance every time. Say goodbye to compatibility concerns and hello to seamless installation with Evergreen CH2000. It's time to elevate your Toyota's performance to new heights. Number 2. DK new improved 6.0L loaded cylinder head pair designed specifically to fit Ford Power-Stroke diesel models from 2006 to 2007. With a seamless 20mm design, this pair eliminates the hassle of dealing with cores, making installation a breeze. Crafted with precision and engineered for performance, these cylinder heads promise durability and enhanced functionality, ensuring optimal engine performance. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the DK 6.0L cylinder head pair is a game-changer, offering reliability and peace of mind on the road. Upgrade your engine with confidence and experience the difference firsthand. Number 3. IAP Complete dual-port cylinder head with sensor hole for VW Beetle. This aftermarket marvel is a game-changer for Beetle enthusiasts, offering unparalleled performance and durability. Crafted with precision engineering, it boasts a dual-port design for enhanced airflow and optimized combustion, resulting in superior horsepower and torque. The addition of a sensor hole ensures compatibility with modern fuel injection systems, further enhancing its versatility. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its plug-and-play design, making it the ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Say goodbye to stock limitations and hello to peak performance with the IAP Complete dual-port cylinder head. Number 4. Geluoxi engine cylinder head assembly replacement for Chevy Cruze 11-16, Trax 13-19, Sonic, and Buick Encore 1.4L models. This product is a game-changer for anyone dealing with engine issues in these vehicles. With precision engineering and quality materials, Geluoxi ensures seamless compatibility and top-notch performance. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Say goodbye to headaches caused by faulty cylinder heads, as Geluoxi guarantees durability and reliability. Whether you're looking for a replacement or an upgrade, this assembly delivers exceptional value for money, ensuring your engine runs smoothly for miles to come. Trust Geluoxi for unparalleled quality and performance in every drive. Number 5. Ti-Carter HT cylinder head assembly, a game-changer for Chevrolet Cruze, Sonic, Encore, and Trax models from 2011 to 2019. This replacement offers unparalleled compatibility and performance, seamlessly fitting into your vehicle's engine system. Crafted with precision and quality materials, it ensures optimal functioning, promising durability and reliability on the road. Say goodbye to engine woes with this trustworthy solution that delivers on both efficiency and longevity. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, installing the Ti-Carter HT cylinder head assembly is a breeze, saving you time and hassle. Upgrade your driving experience and restore your vehicle's power with this exceptional replacement head assembly. In conclusion, selecting the best cylinder head is pivotal for optimal engine performance. Whether it's for increased horsepower or improved fuel efficiency, thorough research and understanding are key. Thanks for watching. For more insightful content, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video with fellow enthusiasts.